Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show this video how to reset Chrome settings on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to reset your Chrome settings on your Android, then I will show you simple method how to do this. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just open the settings, scroll down, tap on the apps, tap on see all apps. Guys, these options is useful when your Chrome is getting crash or it is getting hanged, it is not working properly, then you can use this option. Just scroll it down and search for your Chrome. Just tap on this. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache. Once tap on clear cache, then tap on clear storage, then tap on clear all data, then tap on again clear. After doing this, just go back and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can reset Google Chrome settings on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.